Michael Schuett here at Klahanie Chevron in Sammamish on the Issaquah Plateau, and I am standing here with one of the many loyal customers that Klahanie has earned over the course of the years. Your name, sir?
I'm Dale Schwant.
And Dale, I guess you've been coming here for a good long time.
A few years. It's been about 20, I think, since they opened, actually. These guys are very high tech. I know that they keep their certifications up. They're constantly looking at the new technologies. I've got an older 4Runner, which doesn't need the new technology necessarily, but they take excellent care of me here.
What type of work have they done for you?
Well, for actually recently, I had an opportunity to leave my 4Runner here. I figured it needed shocks. They took a look at it, and it turned out that it needed a different system adjustment. I think I saved about $1,500 on that. These guys are friends. I've known them for years. It's the same guys here all the time. Just extraordinarily competent, very friendly. I recommend them to anybody that needs any kind of service on their vehicle.